Zoology. So today our topic is the entire syllabus NCRT class 11th botany syllabus as a quiz, as a practice test. And before starting the session, let me check is our session is started or not, and is my voice is clear or not first. Yes, the session is just started now. And let me know if my voice is clear to you. Okay, his voice is clear now. Okay, yes, voices are clear. So without any late, let's dive into the session. Here, these are the courses which are available for free in our app Rajesh Biology. Along with this, so many free tests and free courses are available, and free material, study material, thousands and lakhs of MCQs are there in our study materials. You can practice all these MCQs, which are more than enough for our MSET, NEET, JEE mains preparation. Okay, and you can suggest this app to your friends, JE mains also. They also never feel regret for this downloading this app. Okay, because there is a such more material is available now. Yeah, good morning, Jnaneshwari. Welcome. Yes, so these are the questions, Jnaneshwari. Question number one: plants to have their supply of hydrogen from soil, or plants absorb dash from the soil. What it is: capillary water from the soil, runoff water from the soil, gravitational water from the soil, and hygroscopic water from the soil. Yes, Jnaneshwari, you are right. That is capillary water. Perfect. Next question. Yeah, Nagajyoti, welcome. And Saujanya, welcome. Yes, here is the second question. Nagajyoti, you said answer 1, answer 3. No, it is a capillary water. Come to the second question. Which of the following statement about Opensia is correct? Opensia: extensively developed root system, no leaves, or leaves are reduced to spines. Actually, it is right. Yes, perfect, Jnaneshwari, it is right. Extensively developed shoot system, no. Extensive air spaces, no. Peripherally located stomata, oh, no. Next, come to the third question. We have all these materials in our app: chemistry, biology, physics, separate question papers, model question papers, and old question papers. Full syllabus grant tests, so many are there, not only one or two. Many full syllabus grant tests are available in this, and rankers test series, practice tests, so many are there. Okay, and NEET weightage based on the 2022 NEET examination. ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన వెయిటేజ్ ఉంది, చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వెయిటేజ్. ఫిజిక్స్ చాప్టర్ వైజ్, కెమిస్ట్రీ చాప్టర్ వైజ్, బయాలజీ చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వెయిటేజ్. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ వెయిటేజ్ యూ కెన్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ద మెయిన్ టాపిక్స్. బట్ ఈ వెయిటేజ్ అనేది ప్రీవియస్ నీట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇదే ఫాలో అవ్వాలని రూల్ అయితే లేదు. Right, come to the third question. The given diagram showing the regions of a root tip. Choose the option which correctly determines the regions of a root tip. A is what? A, region of maturation. B, root hair. C, region of elongation. D, region of meristematic activity. Meristematic activity is the correct D. Okay, and region of elongation C, that is also right. So root hair, option 1 is the right answer for this question. Yeah, high picture quality పెట్టినా కరెక్ట్ గా కనిపిస్తలేదు సార్ ఒకసారి. ఓకే సౌజన్య, మేబీ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ రిగార్డింగ్ టు ద ఓన్లీ డయాగ్రామేటిక్ క్వశ్చన్. ఆ ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్కి మీకు అలా ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఈసారి నుంచి ఇది నీట్గా కనిపించే అవకాశం ఉంది. దెర్ ఇస్ అ ఛాన్స్ టు అపియర్ ఇన్ ఎ క్లియర్ మేనర్. Let me know if this fourth question is clearly visible or not. Fourth question and fifth question. ఇంతకుముందు త్రీ క్వశ్చన్స్ పెట్టేవాడిని ఒక స్క్రీన్కి, బట్ ఇప్పుడు 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేస్తున్నాను. మ్యాక్సిమం స్లైడ్స్ కాస్త ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసేదానికి. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే, ఓకే, or otherwise I'll try to type and I'll keep only one question per slide like that. The main function of STEM includes, fourth question. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అదొక్క క్వశ్చన్ అలా ఉంది, థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, సో లీవ్ ఇట్. మీకు ఆ డెవలపింగ్ రూట్ సిస్టమ్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇది ఒకసారి మీరు చూస్తే చాలు, లేబులింగ్ తెలిస్తే చాలు, అంతే ఈ క్వశ్చన్. కమ్ టు ద ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్. ద మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ STEM includes. Nagjyoti says option 1 conducts water, mineral and photosynthesis. Actually, STEM is not conduct only the minerals, it also perform the function of protection and storage of food and vegetative propagation. All of these. Okay. It conducts water, minerals and photosynthesis, correct? Yes, Saujanya, correct. Fourth option, right? Come to the fifth question. Perianth, Liliaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae. These are present here. Perianth, Liliaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae. On other side, tricapillary, ovary obliquely placed, tepals, keel. Okay, it is the question. And matching. Perianth is tepals. 1, 3. And Liliaceae tricapillary. B1. And Fabaceae keel. Solanaceae ovary placed, obliquely placed. Ovary obliquely placed. So option 2. The right answer is option 2. Gyaneshwari. Yes, Saujanya, right. Now come to the question number 6. Statement 1. The well-developed root system of Pistia. The well-developed root system of Pistia serves to absorb water. The well-developed root system of Pistia serves to absorb water. That is the statement number 1. Statement 2. Veins are irregularly distributed to form network in parallel venation. Irregularly distributed to form network in parallel venation. Is this 2 statements are correct? Only one statement is correct, or both are incorrect? Both statements are incorrect. Excellent, Gyaneshwari. Come to the 7th question. The cells which help in rolling and unrolling of leaf lamina in grasses are. Oh, Nagjyoti, try to mention the question number also. The cells which help in rolling and unrolling of leaf lamina in grasses are. Complementary cells, companion cells, motor cells, passage cells. So motor cells is the right answer. Next, 8th question. The greatest problem of water conservation is due to. Yes, perfect, Gyaneshwari. 8th question. The greatest problem of water conservation is due to reduce the amount of. Is due to reduce the amount of precipitation, evaporation, groundwater, runoff water. The greatest problem of water conservation is to reduce the amount of precipitation or evaporation or groundwater or runoff water. It is due to the evaporation. 8-2, perfect, Gyaneshwari. 9th question. Vascular bundles having phloem on the periphery of the both outer and inner cambium are called. Vascular bundles having phloem on the periphery of both outer and inner cambium are called what? 9th question. Bicollateral open vascular bundles, bicollateral closed vascular bundles, collateral radial open vascular bundles, amphivasal conjoint closed vascular bundles. Bicollateral closed vascular. No, it is bicollateral open vascular. Vascular bundles having phloem on the periphery of both the outer and inner cambium are called bicollateral open vascular bundles. Next, okay, Nagjoti, come to the 10th question. Which of the following statement is correct from the following statements? Which of the following statement is correct from the following statements? 10th question. In monocot and dicot roots, protoxylem lies towards the inside of metaxylem. In conjoint vascular bundles, xylem and phloem are present separately. Root hairs are always multicellular. In bicollateral vascular bundles, phloem and cambium are present on the same side. 10th you are saying second, they are not separate. The right answer is option 1. In monocot and dicot roots, protoxylem lies towards the inside of metaxylem. Next, 11th question. If you have any question, I am going to show that explanation also, as like that previously we observed this type of thing. Botany classes, botany quiz కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్ కూడా నేను తీసి పెట్టాను. సో మీకు ఎక్కడైనా డౌట్ వస్తే కనుక యూ కెన్ మెన్షన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ అండ్ దట్ రెస్పెక్టెడ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఐమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ. 11th question. Which of the following pair is incorrectly matched? Which of the following pair is incorrectly matched? 11th question, the right answer is Indian Botanical Garden is not in Delhi. The remaining are correct. Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, Lloyd Botanical Garden, Darjeeling. Next, 12th question. Which of the following is a group of micronutrients? Yes, correct, Saujanya. Which of the following is a group of micronutrients? 12th question. Iron, copper, chloride. These are the micronutrients. 12th 2. 12th also 2. Yes, Nagjoti, it is 4 actually. 13th question. Read the following statements and select the option that correctly identifies them as true or false. So read the A, B, C, D. Okay, and which is true, which is false. Find out the true and false. First one, the red thali of most of the red algae is unicellular. This is false. Sexual reproduction is oogamous and accompanied by complex post-fertilization development in Gelidium. True. Yes, Naneshwari. 12th option 2 is right. Very good. Come to the C. Chlorella is a multicellular algae rich in proteins and used by space travelers as food supplement. It is also correct. No, it is as per the key it is wrong. False. Chlorella is a multicellular algae rich in proteins and used by space travelers as food supplement. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous in Chlorophyceae. Correct. So false, true, false, true. The right answer is 2. Next question. Yeah, Gnaneshwari. It is option 2. Sexual reproduction takes place through the fusion of two gametes dissimilar in size. In two gametes dissimilar in size in Volvox, Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Eudorina, in which the gametes are dissimilar in size. We have one short-term batch course in that 6 chapters are covered: animal kingdom, animal tissues, earthworm, human reproduction and reproductive health, genetics up to the Morgan experiments. These 6 concepts are covered in this. In the 6 concepts also, notes and mind maps, doubt clearing sessions 2 or 3, and 3 challenging grand tests are available in that, and daily and weekly tests. More than 30 tests are also available in this short-term course. The students who are interested, they can join in this for the 6 chapters, and it is 900 rupees. Previously, it is available for 400 rupees also because of that offers. So, if the students are interested, I can provide the same coupon code for the students who send me a direct message in this. Okay, and explanation in both Telugu and English. Now come to the practice test. In our app, nearly 70 test papers are there, practice test papers, online tests, and all these are available only for the 100 rupees. In further, I'm going to add some more tests also. Okay, today also I'm going to add 2 to 3 tests in this test paper series. It is very helpful to the students who are practicing. Yeah, Gnaneshwari says what the 14th question answer is 2 and 15th question answer is 1. But both are wrong. Sexual reproduction is we can observe in the Eudorina. Okay. And yes, Nagajyoti, you are right. You said 14th question 2. No, wrong. 15th question is 2. The enzymes are activated or inhibited by essential elements, which essential element is an activator of enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase is the zinc. Come to the 16th question. Answer the 16th question. Glucose and fructose are phosphorylated to give rise to what? If glucose phosphorylated, what is the resultant product? And if fructose is phosphorylated, what is the resultant product? By the activity of the enzyme, and which enzyme helps to form that both are, of course, glucose and fructose both are with the same type of product by the phosphorylation, and that enzymatic activity controlled by which enzyme? 1 minute. I'm going to adjust the charger. Next, come to the 16th question. The 16th question right answer is glucose 6 phosphate, and it is done by hexokinase. Perfect, Gnaneshwari, right? And the 17th question. Diffusion is very important to plant because diffusion is very important to plant because it is the only means for gaseous movement within the plant body. It is the only means for the gaseous movement within the plant body. That's why diffusion is very important. In plants, diffusion is occur very specially for the gases. Okay. Here, I'm going to show you how to attempt the free test in our app. ఫస్ట్ మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి రాజేష్ బయాలజీ యాప్ ప్లే స్టోర్ నుంచి. ఆ తర్వాత మీకు లెఫ్ట్ అప్పర్ కార్నర్లో ఒక 3 బార్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. ఆ సైడ్ మెనూ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అందులో ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఫ్రీ టెస్ట్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఫ్రీ టెస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మీకు చూపిస్తుంది ఆన్ గోయింగ్ టెస్ట్లు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా అటెంప్టెడ్ టెస్ట్లు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, అన్అటెంప్టెడ్ టెస్ట్లు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, ఇలా చూపిస్తుంది. అందులో ఆన్ గోయింగ్ టెస్ట్లో మీరు ఉన్న టెస్ట్లన్నీ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. మీరు క్లిక్ చేసి పర్మిషన్స్ని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసి లోపలికి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఏదైనా ఒక డౌట్ ఉంటే కనుక క్వశ్చన్లో ఆన్సర్ తెలుసు బట్ డౌట్ ఉంది అనుకుంటే కనుక అక్కడ మీరు పైన కనిపిస్తున్న బటన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఆ క్వశ్చన్ రివ్యూ అంటే మీరు సబ్మిట్ చేసే ముందు చూపిస్తుంది మీరు ఇంకా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని రివ్యూ కోసం పక్కన సెలెక్ట్ చేసి పెట్టారు అని. అలానే ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేశారు, ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ మిస్ చేశారు, ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ రివ్యూ కోసం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు, అండ్ ఇంకా ఎంత టైం మిగిలి ఉంది, ఇవన్నీ చూపించిన తర్వాత సబ్మిట్ అడుగుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ సబ్మిట్ ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ and immediately it calculate and how much accuracy, how much time within how much time you completed that, how many are correct, how many are wrong. ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్కి ఒక నెగిటివ్ మార్క్ ఉంటుంది -1, ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్కి ఒక 4 మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆ లాస్ట్లో మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఏ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు మిస్ చేశారు, మిస్ చేసిన క్వశ్చన్సే కాదు ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్కి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కానీ లేదంటే కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి అనేది కానీ మీరు చూడొచ్చు. అండ్ మీ రిజల్ట్ మీరు వాట్సాప్లో షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది ఇలాంటి టెస్ట్లు ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి, 20 వరకు ఉన్నాయి. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ యూ కెన్ అటెంప్ట్ దీస్ టెస్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రియల్లీ వెరీ గ్రేట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. బయట జరుగుతున్న ప్రతి కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఈ టెస్ట్ మాదిరిగానే ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి కంప్యూటర్ బేస్డ్ టెస్ట్కి ఇదే టైప్ ఆఫ్ మోడ్ ఉంటుంది. మీరు కానీ ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ 70 పేపర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ కోర్స్ తీసుకుంటే అందులో మీరు గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ చూడొచ్చు. 2022 నీట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పేపరు, 2023 నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్కి గెస్టింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అని చెప్పేసి 4 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ నుంచి ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన ఒక పేపరు 2023 పేపరు. 23 కాదు యాక్చువల్లీ, ఇది ఒక మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్, ఫుల్ సిలబస్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఇలాంటివి గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్లు ఒక 5 to 6 ఉన్నాయి. కాకుండా వీకెండ్ టెస్ట్లు, అలానే పార్ట్ టెస్ట్లు, ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. 70 పేపర్స్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ నార్మల్ ఇష్యూ. దీన్ని ఒక 100 రూపీస్కి అవైలబుల్గా ఉంచాం. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ మీరు దీన్ని యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే ఒక్కొక్క టెస్ట్కి 2 రూపీస్ కన్నా తక్కువ, ఒక్కొక్క టెస్ట్కి 2 రూపీస్ అనుకున్నా కూడా అది 140 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది, 40 రూపీస్ తగ్గించినట్టు అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్. కమ్ టు ద 18th క్వశ్చన్. ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 3. జ్ఞానేశ్వరి, ఎస్ యు ఆర్ రైట్. Buttercup. The given diagram showing phenomenon of heterophily in buttercup. Come to the 19th question. The development of sporophyte from gametophytic tissue is called. The development of sporophyte from the gametophytic tissue is called. Parthenogenesis, epogamy, amphimixis, epospory. The development of sporophyte from gametophytic tissue is called 19th. Epogamy it is, not the epospory. It is epogamy. Come to the 20th question. Which of the following function is not performed by ethylene? Which of the following function is not performed by ethylene? Yes, Saujanya, right. It is not performed by. It promote nutrient mobilization. It is not performed by the ethylene. It never promote the nutrient mobilization. Come to the 21st question. Algae float in water during the daytime and sink during the night due to release of absorbed air by warming of water. Is this correct? Algae float in water during the daytime and sink in during the night time due to release of absorbed air by warming of water. No, I don't think so. And statement 2. The first stable product of carbon assimilation in C3 plants is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. It's 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. So correct. Only the statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is wrong. Yeah, hi Chinnu. Why you are so late? But no problem. Inka half questions kuda avaledu. You can start giving your answers from the 22nd question. 22nd. Match the different plants given in column 1 with their respective features in column 2 and select the correct option. Janashwari says 21. 21 answer is what? 22. Here in this one column they give Cycas, Equistum and Sequoia, Pinus, Lycopodium. On the other side they give Mycorrhiza, Spinopsida and coralloid roots, Lycopsida, tallest tree. Now come to the 22nd question answer. Matching. Cycas is coralloid roots. Cycas is coralloid roots and Equistem is Spinopsida and Sequoia is tallest tree and Pinus is the mycorrhiza. I think Pinus is the mycorrhiza. Yes. Chinnu says 21 1, very good. And Lycopodium is Lycopsida 4. The option is 1. Correct. Janeshwari and Chinnu right. Now come to the 23rd question. Nagajyoti, 21st question you said 4. No, it is 21st question 4. Yes, 4 only. One question late you are, Nagajyoti. Yeah, Priyanka. 22nd question 1. Right answer. Very good. 23rd. Come to the 23rd question. 23rd question. A plant X has 24 chromosomes in microspore mother cell. Okay. The number of chromosomes in its endosperm will be. Endosperm how many? A plant X plant has 24 chromosomes in microspore mother cell. The number of chromosomes in its endosperm. Endosperm 2n or 3n? Microspore mother cell is 2n. Endosperm is 3n. So the right answer is 1. 36. 2n it is. I think it is 36. 3n, perfect. Come to the 24th question. Assertion. Primary growth of plants lead to the elongation of the plants along their axis. Primary growth of plants lead to the elongation of the plants along their axis. This is the assertion. Okay. And root apical meristem and shoot apical meristem are responsible for primary growth of the plants. This is the reason. Is this reason is correct explanation for the assertion or any wrong? 24, yes, correct. Both are correct and it is the correct explanation for that. 25th question. Yes, Priyanka, super. 25th question. 23-1, correct. 25th, what happens to an animal cell placed in pure water? What happens to the animal cell placed in pure water? Shrink and die, swell and upburst, or shrink and undergo plasmolysis, swell up and develop turgidity. 25. Actually, pure water means there is no any minerals and anything. So automatically what happens from pure water to into the plant cell, the water moves and it swell up and it bursts. The right answer is 2. Perfect, Saujanya. And come to the 26th question. Guttation occurs. Guttation occurs through hydatodes, stomata, root hair, flower buds. 26th question. 26th, guttation occurs through hydatodes. Still Priyanka, 24th question. We are 26th. Yes, 26 correct, Saujanya, and not Chin, it is hydatodes. 27th question. Yes, Jnaneshwari, right? Which of the following is responsible for rising water in 100 feet tall plant? ఒక ప్లాంట్ ఒకవేళ 100 feet ఉంటే ఏది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది టు రైజ్ దట్ వాటర్ టు ద టిప్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లాంట్? Air pressure, capillary action, root pressure, transpiration pull. 27-4, excellent, Saujanya. Transpiration pull helps for the rising of water in 100 feet tall plant. Come to the 28th question. Chinnu, correct? Yes, tell me. Correct, Jnaneshwari. 28th question. The entry of water from the soil up to the xylem elements of root is due to. Up to the xylem elements, the entry of water is due to. 28th question. Turgor pressure, degree of imbibition, concentration gradient of ions is water in water, gradient of suction pressure. So Saujanya says concentration gradient of ions in water. Okay, but gradient of suction pressure, fourth option. It is fourth option. 26-3, you are saying Nagajyoti, you are at the 26th question. Chinnu also says 28-3. Shall we check once with that answer? Question number 28. Question number 28. The entry of water from soil up to xylem elements of root is due to the gradient of suction pressure. Like that only they give the answer here. Yes, Priyanka. It is not 1, it is fourth option. Now come to the 29th. Dark reaction of photosynthesis is called. So because dark reaction of photosynthesis is called, so because it does not require light energy. Does not require light energy. Perfect, Jnaneshwari. But it does not require light energy is the right answer. Saujanya is good, very good. That is the right answer. And Jnaneshwari good. And the 30th question. Yes, Chinnu, right? Nagajyoti, whenever you come to hear the 29th question, just listen my voice. Click on your right screen, on your screen, right side for several times. Then you will reach the 30th question. That means now question, present question. Okay. Now come to the 30th question. Phosphoglyceric acid is formed from. Phosphoglyceric acid is formed from the carbon dioxide and RUBP. Yes, correct, Saujanya. Chinnu also right. Come to the 31st question. Yes, Jnaneshwari right. 31st question. The prokaryotic cells are characterized by the presence of distinct nuclear membrane, absence of chromatin material, the presence of distinct chromosomes, absence of nuclear membrane. Very easy question it is. Yes, Chinnu right, but you have to mention the question number also. Yes, perfect. Next, 32. Lysosomes are reservoirs of. Yes, Jnaneshwari right. Lysosomes are the reservoirs of RNA and protein. It is a reservoir of fat. And it is a reservoir of hydrolytic enzymes, secretory glycoproteins. 32. Question number. It is a hydrolytic enzymes. Reservoir of hydrolytic enzymes. Correct. Who says Priyanka and Chinnu? Saujanya. Perfect. 33. The synthesis of lipids and lipoproteins is associated with the synthesis of lipids and lipoproteins is associated with what? 30 to 3 hydrolytic enzymes. Yes, correct only. Very good. 33 1. Yes, perfect Chinnu. Endoplasmic reticulum. And Saujanya right. Jnaneshwari also right. Come to the next question. 34th question. Analyze the following pairs and identify the correct options given below. Following pairs. I'm going to read these pairs. You have to say which is correct. Okay. 34th question. Chromoplast contain pigments other than the chlorophyll. Chromoplast contain pigments other than the chlorophyll. And leucoplast divide of any pigment. Divide of any pigment, leucoplast. Amyloplast store proteins. Eleoplast store carbohydrates. Okay, which are correct? 34. Saujanya says 2. And Chandrika says 3. B and C are correct and C and D are correct. But here, as per this key, A and B are correct. So let me check once with the key because so many are says opposite to the key answer. Question number what? 34. Here, your answer. Amyloplast is specialized leucoplast which stores starch and also helps in detecting the geotropism. Eleoplast store the fats. So C and D are wrong, A and B are correct. 34, 1 only right. So Chinnu right, and Priyanka right. And yes, come to the question number 35. The arrangement of central and outer microtubules in a cilium is called. Yes, Priyanka. The arrangement of central and outer microtubules in a cilium is called 2 plus 9 or 9 plus 2 or 9 plus 0 or 0 plus 9. Yeah, Jnaneshwari, actually it is called 9 plus 2 array, 9 plus 2 arrangement. Okay, we hear this in zoology also at the time of the structure of flagellum, structure of the cilia. But how it is outer 9 doublets, central 2 singlets. That's why 9 plus 2. But here they ask central and outer. So 2 plus 9. Next, 36th question. Uh, synaptonymal complex occurs at. Synaptonymal complex occurs at zygote or pachytene. Perfect. Jnaneshwari, right. Come to the 37th question. The chronological sequence of stages in prophase 1 of meiosis. Yes, it is very important. Previously also, I think this question arises in our previous quizzes when we discuss about the cell division, cell cycle and cell division in that quiz. This type of question is there. It is a repeated question. The students who follow our regular quizzes, they can easily solve this, I think. Diplotin diakinesis are lost, definitely. So it is wrong. 37 2. Saujanya says right. And Chinnu 2, right? Leptotin, zygotin, pachytene, diplotin, diakinesis. 38th question. In an organism, if the normal diploid number of chromosomes is 32, how many chromosomes are present in each daughter cell at the end of the meiosis 1? In an organism, if the normal diploid number of chromosomes is 32, how many chromosomes are present in each daughter cell at the end of the meiosis 1? Meiosis 1 is a reduction division. Okay, so automatically 16 and 16. The right answer is 2. So who says the right answer? 38 2. Chinnu says the right answer. Gnaneshwari right answer. Saujanya అందరికన్నా ముందు right answer. Come to the 39th question. One among the following is basis of variations in human beings. One among the following is basis of variations in human beings. So it is human beings. We can simply solve this question. It is from the zoology. Non-disjunction of chromosomes at telophase. Wrong. Disjunction of chromosomes. Wrong. Okay. Segregation of chromosomes of anaphase. Wrong. If these two are happen, that leads to the genetic disorders. Non-disjunction. Okay. Non-disjunction leads to the disorders. Disjunction is the not result in the variations. Segregation is also not result in the variations, but crossing over, in which the mother characters and the father characters are merged with one another, and that leads to the, yes, the right answer given by the Gnaneshwari, right? Come to the 40th question. Which among the following is true about the dicot stem? The vesicular bundles are conjoined, usually arranged in a ring and have cambium. That is the true about dicot stem. Okay. Now come to the 41, question number 41. Protoxylem or xylem in dorsiventral leaf of dicot. Protoxylem. Yeah, Chandrika. 41 question, Chinu. Yes, correct. You are. Adaxial side, upper epidermis, adaxial side. Next, come to the 42. During nitrogen fixation, nitrates is oxidized to nitrate with the help of bacterium. It is also repeated question. Previously discussed about this. 42. Nitrosomonas or what? 42 question. Nitrobacter. Which is the right answer? Nitrobacter bacterium. Yes, correct. Chinnu and Ganeshwari, you are right. Now come to the 43. No, Saujanya, it is Nitrobacter bacterium. And come to the 43. Priyanka, you are right. 41 is 2, 42 is 4, 43 is Selaginella bears two types of spores and Dryopterus bears one type of spores in pteridophytes. This is the assertion. Correct. Selaginella bears two types of spores and Dryopterus fens bears only one type of spores in pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are homosporous or heterosporous. That is also correct. And that is the correct reason for that. The right answer is the both are correct, and it is the correct explanation for the option 1. And Chandrika, you are saying answer for the 39th question when we are on the 44th question. 43, 1 correct, Gnaneshwari. 44th question. Assertion. At root and shoot apex, the constantly dividing cells show meristematic phase of growth. That is the assertion. Correct. The cells of this region are rich in protoplasm and lacks nuclei. Nuclei is present, I think. So reason is wrong. Assertion is right. 44. The right answer is 3. '45. The complete oxidation of pyruvate takes place in complete oxidation of pyruvate takes place in nucleus or inner mitochondrial membrane or cell cytoplasm or mitochondrial matrix. Where Priyanka says 45-4. Correct. Mitochondrial matrix. Yes, Jnaneshwari right. Chinnu is also right. Priyanka right. No, Sajani, it is mitochondrial matrix. Come to the 46th question. When the root is swallowed in the middle and tapers at both the ends, it will be called as here swallowed at the middle and tapers at both sides. If the root is like this, yeah, Kajmin Begum, welcome. You are saying cell cytoplasm, but I don't know which question it option that is. So please click on your right side of your screen for several times. Then you can reach the current question. We are at the 46th question. For 46, fusiform root, perfect Jnaneshwari. And Chinnu also right. Fusiform. Our muscles are also called fusiform muscles, that is smooth muscles, like this. Next, which of the following organisms share the attributes of a plant and animal? 47th question, it is also repeated question. It is asked previously in our quiz. That is, I think, first chapter, plant kingdom or something from that chapter. Yes, 47th, very easy question. Priyanka, what you said is the right answer. Euglena. It is the connecting link between the kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. It shows both the animal characters and plant characters. Okay. I think it is under phylum Protozoa. Euglena, perfect Priyanka. Come to the 48th question. The entities not included in any of the five kingdoms of Whitaker. The entities which are not included in any of the five kingdoms of Whitaker. It is a classification of organisms, biological classification. Viruses, viroids and prions, bacteriophage. Yeah, Chinnu, right? Jnaneshwari, right? And before all the students, Saujanya, right? These are not any entities in the five kingdom classification. These are not kingdoms actually. Come to the 49th and 50th question. 49th. Shell of diatoms is made up of what? Shell of diatoms is made up of. And here the 50th question, lucky question. The students who are going to give the answer for the 50th question, they are going to get so many good marks in their further examinations as per our YouTube tradition. ఎలా అయితే మనం భోజనం చేసేటప్పుడు చివరి ముద్ద బలము అలా లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ ద గ్రేట్ మార్క్స్. Now come to the 49th question. Chinnu, you are right. Jnaneshwari also right. And Jnaneshwari, Chinnu, you are not only correct in 49th, you are right in 50th also. Shell of diatoms made up of silica. All algae have this type of pigment in common in all groups of algae or chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is present in all the types of algae. Okay, so this is about today's quiz. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Priyanka and Saujanya, Jnaneshwari, Chinnu, and Kajmin, and Chandrika, Nagajyoti, for each and every student who are attending and make this session successful. We will meet tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. Okay, with a new topic. I'm going to give you the topic also in Telegram. In our app also, I'm going to give you the topic for the next. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you.